This is Samuel. So you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, today I've decided to share with you the job adverts which are out at the Uganda Railway Corporation. Yes, Uganda Railway Corporation. If you remove that job adverts, it's what you are going to go through, and I believe it will help for those that are in need of the job. Yeah, sure, you can just go through it. So first of all, Uganda Railway job opportunities. Here it is. These are just the job opportunities which are out. Uganda Railway Corporation is a body or corporate established by URC Act. The mandate of the corporation is to construct, operate, and maintain railway, marine, and road services, both inside and outside Uganda, for the carriage of passengers and goods. So these are the job posts or vacancies which are available. Number one, it is corporation secretary. Yes, that is the grade, which is RG2. Number of vacancies, 1. Number 2, principal operations officer, vacancies 1. Number 3, marine engineer, vacancy 1. Senior marine officer, vacancy still 1. Number 5, senior commercial officer, vacancies 2. Then number 6, electrical engineer, vacancy 1. Number 7, passenger train supervisor, vacancy 1. Then the other one is chief engineer marine, vacancy 3. They need 3 of them. Commercial officers, if you're interested, they need 6 of them. Fuel and data analyst, in case you're interested, they need 2 of them. Foreman heavy repair, in case you're interested, 1. Freight agent, in case you're interested, they need 1. Then electrical technician, they need 7. Reach stack operator, they need 1. Diesel technicians, 3. Mechanical technician, they need 10. Then carriage and wagon examiner, 14. So that was just a recap about just a quick one. And since we are going to go through about the job description, requirement of each and every vacancy, the application procedures, it is like all suitable, qualified and interested candidates with relevant qualifications and experience should send their application letters, CV, and copies of academic certificates, transcripts, national ID card, appointment letters to the current job, together with 1 recent passport size photo, by email recruitment@urc.go.ug. So that is where you're supposed to send, or that's the application email where you're supposed to send in case you are interested. Then you merge all your documents. Please be very keen at this. Merge all your documents and send them in one attachment in Word or PDF format, but for me I always prefer using PDF. Yes, you just merge them and you send them in just a single attachment as a PDF, not exceeding 2 MBs. Or you can address to the managing director, Uganda Railway Corporation, and hand deliver to your headquarters. Those with connections, you can just go and deliver. But to someone who is like kana kambata wetakulira, just send by email. The closing date of receiving applications is Friday 24th July 2026 at 5 p.m. Please be very keen at this. It is 24th July 2026 by 5 p.m. meaning that by Thursday you must have applied. Don't wait for the closing date. Only successful candidates will be contacted as usual. Any form of canvassing will lead to automatic disqualifications. I hope everyone knows that. Application for a maximum of 2 positions only, that is required. And you should also be aware of fraudsters. Yes, you might become a victim if you're not aware of that. But this is real. It is from Uganda Railway Corporation, and it is ongoing. The deadline is 24th July 2026. So let's just go into the details of the job description. Just a quick one. Details. Just want to see the requirements, academic requirements, and business management. Okay. Where are we? Oh my god. It's okay. So those of you that have master's degree in railway transport management, logistic engineering operations, this is an added advantage for you. Just experience, minimum 7 years of relevant experience. But sometimes this experience is being put to actually get the cream. Yes, to cream out, like okufuna omuntu nga yes nga asobola okukola ki okukola obulungi. They just want the best candidates, but mind you, don't focus a lot on experience. So as long as you have bachelor's degree, if in case this job was meant to be yours, you'll always get the job. Don't stress out with experience. You'll be like, mama, experience, no. Please just apply. So as long as you have a bachelor's degree, care less about the experience. So the other one is principal marine engineer. Yes, principal marine engineer will be reporting to chief mechanical engineer. Number of vacancies 1. So for us, we are only interested on person specifications or qualifications. Bachelor's degree, so honors degree in marine engineering. My colleagues that have bachelors in marine engineering, those of mechanical engineering bachelors, you highly the odds are highly in your favor. So naval architecture or a related engineering discipline from a recognized institution. So those of you that have master's degree in marine engineering, this is it's your advantage. It's an advantage to you. So professional qualifications, okay, that is, you just apply. So as long as you have the essentials, you apply regardless of the professional qualifications. Yes, you'll get a job. Be positive. So let's move to another job. Senior marine engineer. You'll be reporting to a principal marine engineer. So the other one was this one was principal marine engineer. Now a senior marine engineer will be reporting to principal marine engineer. Let's just look at the personal or person specifications. Any academic qualifications. Bachelor's degree in marine engineering, mechanical engineering, naval architecture or related engineering discipline from recognized institution. So please apply. So as long as you have a bachelor's degree, please apply. Experience, at least 3 years of experience. For me, I always care less about experience. In case I find a job which suits for me, I just do apply. If the job was meant to be yours, it will always be yours. So we have senior commercial officer. Wow. Now we are going to my guys that at College of Business and Management Sciences, COBAMS. So the guys from COBAMS, whenever I see this kind of jobs, commercial, senior commercial officer, okay, let's just go, and you'll be reporting to principal commercial officer. Let's see your academic qualifications. An honors bachelor's degree in commerce, you see, guys from COBAMS. Or business administration, you see, or marketing, or economics, or transport and logistic management. My guys from COBAMS. Or procurement and supply chain management, or finance and accounting, or entrepreneurship, or any other relevant business related discipline from recognized institutions. So if you have a postgraduate or masters in the above field being mentioned, it is an added advantage. Yes, Mukisago, just apply. But those who use bachelors, it's well and good, just apply. Electrical engineer, guys from SEDAT. Oh my God. Electrical engineers. So an electrical engineer will be reporting to chief mechanical engineer. So duty station, Kampala headquarters, with travel to railway stations, workshop and operation sites. Okay, so we are going to, for this remaining run, I'm going to be looking at the duty stations and then the qualifications academically. So a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university. Guys from SEDAT. Membership of Uganda Institution of Professional Engineers. You must have enrolled. Yes, a postgraduate qualification in power systems, railway engineering, project management, or maintenance management is an added advantage. At least 2 years of practical experience. You must have been in the field for at least 2 years, minimally. Even if it is 1 year, you just apply, you get a job. And please, colleagues, whoever sees this video and finds it out being important, please don't forget to share it to your colleagues. Share it to your friends. Yes, once you find it important, share it to your friends, please. And don't forget that the deadline is 24th July 2026. The deadline for this. For more information, you can just go to Uganda Railway Corporation's website. So let's continue. Passenger train supervisor, you'll be reporting to principal operations officer. This means this one we shall not be like a duty station, because this you're going to be moving. You have no duty station since it evolves like it's flexible, highly flexible. You should be highly flexible, like in terms of movement, around 90% in terms of movement. So personal. Okay, let's first see the academic qualifications. Honors degree in railway operations, transport management, logistics, business administration, customer service, or related field from a recognized institution. Please, for as long as you have a degree in railway operations, maybe even if it is in logistics or transport or business administration, it highly suits for you. minimum 2 years of experience. But even if you had 1 year of experience and you know what you're doing, this job is yours. Please apply. Chief engineer, that is marine, so you'll be reporting to principal marine engineer. So duties and functions. Okay, let's just look for academic qualifications. Minimum of honors degree in mechanical engineering or relevant qualification from recognized institution. Mechanical engineering. Guys from SEDAT, please. Guys from SEDAT, please. This suits for you. Bachelor's degree in marine engineering, naval architecture, or related discipline. You see, my guys have said that. So you can apply. Please don't forget, deadline is 24th July 2026. Yes. Class 2 chief engineer certificate of competency. This is in case you had certificates and it is under class 2, it is an added advantage to you. Okay, let's move to commercial officer. We are going back to my guys from Cobams. Commercial officer, you'll be reporting to senior commercial officer. Number of vacancies, they need 6, please. They need 6. The more the number of vacancies, the higher, the wider the odds are in your favor. Yes, you have high odds of getting a job since the number of vacancies around 6. So don't forget to apply, or don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and as well you should share this very video to your colleagues. And the other thing, you shouldn't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. So let's just look at the academic qualifications for commercial officers. I say these are guys from Cobams. A honor bachelor's degree in any of the following: commerce, business administration, marketing, economics, transport and logistic management, supply chain management, finance and accounting, statistics. Oh my god, even guys of statistics. So as long as you're from Cobams, this suits for you. Remember, Cobams has got School of Statistics and Planning, it has got School of Business, it has got the other one is School of Economics. Cobams. So as long as you're from Cobams, this suits for you. So at least 2 years of relevant experience in commercial operations, sales, marketing, business development, transport, logistics, or customer relationship management, meaning that there are higher odds of you getting this job. So as long as you apply coming from Cobams. So fuel and data analyst. Oh my god, this is for statisticians. Statisticians are best for these roles of data analysts. Okay, let's see. Data analyst will be reporting to chief operations officer, and they need 2. Yes, number of vacancies 2. Remember, deadline is 24th July. That will be Friday this month, 2026. So it will be Friday 24th July, just this month, so 2026. The other one is foreman heavy repair. Yes, number of vacancies 1. Those ones without duty station, just you're going to be working at the headquarters, and sometimes some others they may be distributed. Yes. Let's see this one, foreman heavy repair. Yes, academic qualifications: ordinary diploma in mechanical engineering or electrical engineering or civil or railway engineering or automotive engineering. Engineers, where are you? Or marine engineering or any other engineering discipline from a recognized university. Guys from SEDAT, are you there? At least 3 years of relevant practical engineering or railway maintenance experience. Guys from SEDAT, my guys from SEDAT, where are you? Where are you? So a dock master will be reporting to senior marine engineer. Yes, a dock master will be reporting to a senior marine engineer, and they only need one, by the way. So yeah, let's see the ones for dock master. For as long as you have a diploma qualifications, for as long as you have a diploma in marine operations, maritime studies, mechanical engineering, nautical science or port management, transport management oriented discipline from recognized institutions. But whoever that has bachelor's degree in the above discipline, it will be an added advantage to them. So let's move to another job title or job vacancy. It's flight agent. Flight agent, you'll be reporting to flight operations officer, and they only need 3. So meaning that they have a bit increased the odds or the chances of having this job. So academic specifications: for as long as you have a diploma in transport and logistics management, supply chain management, business administration, commerce, clearing and forwarding oriented field from a recognized institutions. So all these jobs are out, all these are vacancies from the Uganda Railway Corporations. So Uganda Railway Corporation has advertised. Please, for more information, you can just visit their website. Yes, and for your benefit, I will have to put a link in just below. I have to put a link for your own in my description. Then electrical technician, that is another job title, of which they need 7 electrical technicians, and they will be reporting to electrical engineer. So guys from said that please, this highly suits for you. And even when you're not from Makerere, even when maybe you're from other institutions, it's well and good, only that just remember my fellow guys from the Mitre Hill. That's why I keep on talking about colleges at the Mitre Hill. So academic qualifications: higher diploma in electrical engineering or its equivalent. So meaning that for as long as you have a diploma in electrical engineering, this suits for you. Remember, that is the minimum, meaning that those that are with bachelors, they can also, in case you want to be unemployed, it's well and good. Yes, Uganda, you also know Uganda. You look for jobs, you're not finding them. Yes, you can decide to provide the cheap labor at first, then with time, you get the one that suits for you. Yeah, so reach staker operator. This will be reporting to mechanical engineer, and they only need 1. So let's just look at the qualifications. So as long as you have Uganda certificate of education and above, it's from Uganda certificate of education and above, just yeah, it will be a best suit. But let's move to another, and diesel technician will be reporting. They will be reporting to mechanical engineer, and they need 3 of them. They need 3 of them. So they need 3. Please don't forget to share this video in case you have friends that have got at least that such kind of qualifications. Yes, in case you have a colleague who has a degree, a colleague who has a diploma, bobo funyayo omuntu yenna yasomako alina degree oba diploma, obimusharingira, tomanya omusharingira video eno asobola ogisharingira munno omulala. Yes, bwaba alaba nga it is not suiting him, asobola ogisharingira munno omulala. Yes, make sure you share this video and it should move such that people can apply or can meet the deadline. Yes, by the time when the deadline is overdue or time is overdue, these people must have applied. Yes, musharing a video no ate mwerabira jiwa thumbs up, you liking sharing bambi. So jokoma okugisharinga, jokoma n'okubuildinga ka channel kaneeno, jokoma n'okutambula eno channel specifically ya mirimu. Yes, specifically genda kube focusing ku mirimu, cause I've seen most of my colleagues ever since we graduated abasinga obungi tebanafuna mirimu, still on streets tunoonya emirimu here and there, emirimu tegirabika, you apply, you meet the interview panels ozituukako, but still yeah, nebata kujita. So we just embrace rejections. Rejections are part of life. We embrace rejections. Mpola mpola paka wofuna omulimu omutuufu Katonda gwe yakola ki, gwaba asazeewo okuwa. So academic qualifications for the above, it is ordinary certificate in mechanical engineering, automotive engineering, diesel engineering or equivalent from a recognized institution. Okay, wanade bagezaako okutegeeza or any related field from a recognized institution. Yeah. So moving to mechanical technician, my guys from SEDAT. Duty station in Uganda Railways Corporation workshop, depots or field stations. So kati aba Uganda Rail Corporation basobola okuteeka ku workshop zaabwe, oba basobola okuteeka depot. Depots means kibanga ki warehouse. Yes, ebanga warehouse whereby most of operations is let's say za railway corporation zitambulira. Yes, storing ebintu ebisinga. So off-field stations basobola okusuula mu fields. Yes, mu bifo ebirala. So mechanical technician beetaaga abantu 10. You can imagine they need 10 people. Yeah, they need 10 people. Please, you should be in position to apply, because I told you the more the number of vacancies, the higher the odds tend to be in the applicant's favor. So we've seen that is mechanical technician. So academic qualifications, a technical certificate in mechanical engineering or equivalent qualification if you have a certificate in mechanical engineering. So additional qualification in railway engineering or heavy equipment maintenance and added advantages. Okay, so let's move to carriage and wagon examiner. You will be reporting to carriage and wagon inspector. They need 14. Oh my God, abantu 14. Let's see the qualifications, and I think this is the last one. It's going to mark to the end of this video. Qualifications: Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education or its equivalent, certificate in mechanical engineering or equivalent qualification from a recognized institution. Diploma in mechanical engineering or related discipline is an added advantage. Oba olina diploma mu mechanical engineering, oba olina diploma mu mechanical engineering, oba olina certificate, oba olina USE, still you just try your luck. Gezesa oba oli wa senior 6 noba tolina certificate. Katugeza osobola okuba nga oli wa form 6 nengo certificate oli mugikolako kyagiri bampola mpola ya mechanical engineering, osobola okwapplyinga. Gezesa emikisa gyo. You can apply and build your career from there. Yes, you build your career and your professional experience from there. So don't underestimate yourself. Try your luck, apply, and I'm concluding this video by saying please apply. Don't underestimate yourself. This might be your chance, or this might be an opportunity for you. So don't forget to share this video to other people.